Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I ain't been on here for a little minute, but I am back, and today I am going to be blow drying my hair. The blow dryer I will be using is this Kiss one. This is from Walmart. It was like 17 bucks. But it's this Kiss blow dryer, ceramic blow dryer. And it has 4 different attachments. The only one I'm going to be using is this attachment with like the red on it. But they have another comb, a concentrator, and diffuser, but I'm not using that stuff. They have 3 heat settings at 2 speeds, and then they have a cool shot setting that I don't really use. So why would I use cool when I want to get my hair kind of straight? But the reason why I'm blow drying my hair, I normally don't put heat on my hair, but the reason why I'm doing it now is because I want to trim my ends, because my ends are bad. But yeah, I'm trying to trim them. So that's why I'm blow drying my hair today. For my heat protectant, I am using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco heat protectant. A protector, smooth and smile blowout cream, and it protects against heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, smooths and controls frizz with exotic shine. But yeah, so this is the cream I'll be using, or heat protectant cream. I got some different tools. So I got won't be showing my trimming for this video. I'll probably do it in another video, but this is for when I start trimming. But I just got a Y2 comb and a clip to clip my hair up. So let's get started with this video. So this is my hair. I just washed it in deep condition. The shampoo I used was from, forgot what place it was from, but it was like a shampoo with biotin in it. I forgot where it's from. Oh, GNC. I don't know if y'all know what GNC is, but it's like a health wellness kind of store where you get like vitamins and stuff, and they have shampoos too. And then I use Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle for my deep condition. But yeah, this is my hair before I 6 pumps of this stuff. I'm gonna smooth it all over this section. And it smells just like any other product that's from that line. Has that like perfumey smell. I'm gonna add one more pump. My Y2 comb and just detangle this before I go in and do any blow drying. Now I gotta take all the shit out of the, oh, excuse my French. I gotta take all of this out of the plastic bags. So like I said, it has the diffuser. This is one attachment. This is the one I'm not using. A concentrator. This will be the attachment that I'm using. Actually, I might do both. One side I might do this one, and then the other side I might do this one. So that's what we'll do. I'll use both of them. Just one side I'll use this one, then the other side I'll use this one to see which one gets it, I guess, straighter. I don't know. Here's the blow dryer. This shit don't fucking work. Hold up now, I just bought this bitch. Hold up. Okay. There it goes. Woo! I was finna be mad, y'all, if this junk did not work and I bought it. I was about to be so mad. So I am putting it on high setting because I kind of want my hair kind of to be not really straight, but I kind of want it to be somewhat kind of straight, and I'm gonna put it all the way up. So we're gonna use this one first. Okay, guys, let's do this. Wonder if I should do a smaller section. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a smaller section because hair is kind of really this is the first section. I'm gonna say it got it pretty. It's pretty straight. I don't want to be going over too much because I don't want to get no heat damage. But yeah, this is the first little section. Got it pretty straight. So with that one, we're just gonna twist this up and move on to the next section. Ooh, these ends so damn raggedy, y'all. I just don't know how raggedy these ends are. My hair feels really soft with this stuff in it. Really smooth. Need to get these ends, y'all. So these ends, y'all. Okay guys, so this is the first section of my hair. I'm probably gonna go, cause my roots up here are still kind of wet. So yeah, this is a pretty good blow dryer. Like, it got it pretty straight. Yes. All I gotta say is these like right here is so puffy. I need to get back down. That's good enough. Time for me to trim. Gotta trim. Terrible. Okay, so I'm not gonna, film the whole thing. Just want to film. This is my first side blow dried, so I will be back. Hey guys, so I am back and I just got done blow drying my hair. See, this is why you should keep your ends cut, because that junk gets tangled right back up. But yes, guys, I can't believe I have this much hair. Like, I'm sweating. It is hot. That blow dryer. Woo! But yeah, guys, this is all of my hair. I need a trim bag. But this is all my hair. Yes. These ends need some love. But yeah. This is my hair. That's on my head. So yeah. So this is my hair. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and trim my ends, cause my ends need some love up in this thing. But yeah, but if you would like to see any more videos, please comment below what you like to see. Oh, and so I tried the 2 different combs and they both work the same. It ain't no difference. They both work the same. Like, it wasn't one that got it, more straight than the other, but they both, they both work the same. So, but yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itsme_Queen Curly C. I'm trying to think, what else do I need to talk about? But yeah, I'm just loving. Whew. But yeah, I'm sweating like it is hot. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.